Hey guys, how y'all doing? I have some leftover Jack in the Box sauces. I got some chicken strips that I air fried. They're from Bear Good. And then some French fries from, I think it's called Ostella. Let's dig in. Try the sweet and sour sauce from Jack. Did I cook these right? All right, let's try one. Tender, but not crispy. Oh wow, but I'm super hungry. Sweet and sour. More so on the sour side. Honey mustard. Let's give it a try. I think I'm starting to like honey mustard. This is actually pretty good. I like the little slight kick, the acidity. Let's try it with the chicken. That was pretty good. Barbecue sauce. Wow, so good. They're good sauce. Nice little tang. They're spicy good sauce. Ooh, slight kick. Let's try it with the chicken. Yummy. Secret sauce. My favorite, surprisingly, is the honey mustard. Very good. And then the spicy good sauce, and then the secret sauce. My least favorite was the sweet and sour.